How you doing, everyone? You'll have to excuse my current look of complete exhaustion. It's been a long and very awesome weekend. We had the little meet up near Birmingham, and it was just fantastic. Really was completely outweighed anything I expected. I know I said thank you to everyone already, but for those that came along, thank you big time. You're all just amazing people, and it was a privilege for me to meet you all. We had one stay back, Luna bus. We did a few bits on his van and had a chill today. So that was good. Thanks again for coming, mate. You are, as someone's already pointed out, an absolute legend. There's a lot of this stuff been going on this weekend. Oh, and look at this. Look. The sticker wall has begun. Oh, shit. Look at this. Look. The sticker wall has begun. I didn't really know where else to put them, so we're going for this. I did get some more from the motorhomer, but they're backwards, so I can't put them on my wall. Huge thank you again to White Van Man for sorting us out all the stickers so I can join the sticker crew. That's really cool. Look at that, look. And the sign as well. That little logo that I made is now a thing. I've tried to film some stuff today, but it didn't really work. I'm not that good at filming anymore, apparently. For those that were here, you can help me out in the comments, seeing as I didn't film anything over the weekend, and let the rest of the channel know how you think Leon was compared to how he was in the last videos before, because you know there's no better way to say it than from the people that were there. I think personally he's come along a very long way, much faster than anyone could ever have expected. I think really he was loving his life, and there must have been at least 15 dogs knocking around. Bolski made a new friend with Lance from Project Amber, so they're best mates now. So that'll be good when we go to the next meet-up in a couple of weeks up in Yorkshire, I think it is. Really looking forward to catching up with everyone again. It was a very intense weekend, this was for me, actually, talking to everyone and meeting everybody, and you know, having real conversations with everyone, because everyone that was in this field 2 days ago was all on the same page. You know, we're all here for the same reason, we're all sharing the same passion, and that's what makes it so awesome. Hello?
Hello. If I remember correctly, you bought some rice the other day, didn't you?
Tell him to get rid of him. In fact, no, get rid of it, they said. Get rid of it. Dog there. Bastard. Dog's over there. Dog's everywhere.
To all the hate. Fuck you. That was no having to deal with the filth is not easy. I still can't believe it's just
Go on.
I was like that yesterday, you know what I'm like?
No, I was just going to copy data over and
Yeah, what were they like when they first got together?
They've never met.
No?
Today is the first time
Yeah, they've never met.
Okay.
the only downside of that is they were using Windows 10. So Windows 10 data now.
He's doing so well.
And it will take that long. Yeah.
Filming myself. Filming myself. This is like the weirdest experience of my entire life, I'm not gonna lie.
Embrace it.
He hasn't got his
as the video sort of ended very abruptly. See the state of us two.
I've got my hands in my trousers holding the whiskey.
Why?
Comfortable.
Oh. Absolutely dead. I think we need a week recovery after this weekend. Yeah, we'll see when this video appears. Hopefully tomorrow. Catch you all in a bit.
Sorry, goodbye. No.
What the fuck?
Stop it now.